morning. Today we're spending a day in Shenzhen. We're taking a metro to the old town. I haven't done much research on it, but I read somewhere it's at least 1700 years old. The city of Nantou was founded in the year 265 when the Salt Commissioner headquarters was established. Apparently the name has changed many times over the years. Try not to get run over by these Deliveroos. Some food. Nantou is the heart of Shenzhen and it's been growing for 1700 years. What a pretty little town. Cute set of stairs. I'm not so sure if this is a good thing or bad thing. These electric scooters can pretty much go wherever they like. I don't know why this guy couldn't get up the hill. I saw the other one had more power. He must have run out of petrol or run out of electricity. Lots of greenery in the city. The urban planning here really has done very well indeed. Those cars with the bluey green light, they're driverless and they've got extra radar on top or something. It's got no driver in it. No driver. You trust it? So earlier this morning we were at Nantou, I guess the genesis of Shenzhen. Now we're downtown at the Shenzhen Bay Cultural Square, or otherwise, as you will see later, the AirPod building. This is the ultra-modern end of Shenzhen. You see all the Alibaba, Tencent, all the big tech companies are down here. And here you have one of the AirPod buildings. It's quite surreal walking around here. You know, with driverless cars, drones flying everywhere, delivering food, etc. It's really futuristic, say the least. You won't be able to see it, but it's a drone flying over there, and it looks like it's got an empty cargo load. It's a big drone. It's got to be like at least a meter across. Here we have a better look at the AirPod building. It really is pretty cool. Now that drone is carrying something, a box. A bit late for lunch, but maybe it's lunch, could be tea. Let's check this AirPod out. That kind of looks like a spaceship too, if you ask me. Oh, it is hot. My goodness. It does look like a spaceship, except it's actually a restaurant. And in front of us, you can see that's Shenzhen Bay. I dare say beyond, it's probably Hong Kong. I can't be sure. It's incredible to think, only as recent as 40 years ago, this place was just a fishing village. And today has a population of over 8 million people. That's already more than Hong Kong in just 40 years. You have to say the urban planning here is extraordinary. It's done so well. You could argue, yeah, they had a clean piece of paper to start with, but I've seen other places with a clean sheet of paper to start with, and they've absolutely cocked it up. Here, it's 8 million people, but look at it. It doesn't feel like it's crowded. It just lots of open space, parks, tall buildings, art centers, libraries, nightclubs. I can look at this architecture for hours. It's just every angle you look at it, you discover something new. Anyway, I'm going to go downstairs into the exhibition halls. Okay, we're downstairs underneath the park. I'm going to check out the exhibition halls. Straight away, it just looks so sci-fi here. Actually, there's not much on the ground floor. Where the action is underground. Okay, this is more like it. And it's also the much welcomed air conditioning. Oh my God, I'm dizzy looking at that. Right, let's go and explore Pink Street North. There's a south behind us. I don't know what's down here. It's all pink, the tiles are pink, the signs are pink, and even McDonald's is pink. It seems like the north side is all about food, and to be frank, I am not hungry at all. It's just too hot to eat, really feel hungry. So I'm going to head to the south side of the Pink Street and see what's here. Now this is kind of pretty classy in here. Ah, okay, I see my wife and my daughter. They're trying to get rid of me, not so easy. Okay, we've arrived at our third destination for today. This is called OCT-Loft. Now apparently OCT stands for Overseas Chinese something, I can't remember what. Now this area, as you can clearly see, used to be kind of an industrial area. It's been sort of converted into an arty place. There's lots of designer, this, that and the other, cafes, bars, restaurants. It's a pretty hip place. It's funny, I can read it through the camera, what it says there, Shenzhen, but I can't see it with my naked eye. It's very, very weird. Do you serve coffee? Thank you. Shenzhen. This OCT-Loft is actually quite spread out. But let me try and show you just a few bits and pieces. I've no idea what this is supposed to be. It's a pretty chic jewellery store. So it turns out the restaurant that I just filmed serves Hakka cuisine, which is, how do I explain it? It's my ancestry, my roots, Hakka, which literally means guest house or guest family. So my understanding is the tribe, so to speak, came from northern China and settled in the south. So wherever they stayed, that's why there was the term guest clan, for want of a translation. Some pretty interesting art galleries, or I'm not sure if this is a furniture store. Seat here clearly is inspired by the abacus. Quite cool. And you can see the single seater there and the table. Look, I'm famous, I'm on television. Yes, made it at last.